Welcome back to the day in the life of this Blasian designer from Cali, episode 2. I'm showcasing a few days this week, starting off with my walkthrough of my Northridge project. We just finished demo, and I like to check up on things and make sure of any major issues that we couldn't foresee before the walls were taken out. And so far, things are looking good, and this old home has really stood the test of time. As you can see, this 1940s house has some good bones, as its framework has really held up through all those years. Check out how some of the rooms look now that we've demolished mostly everything in there. Also note how pretty clean the job site is, because it's important to not have trash haphazardly around, as it can be dangerous. And we wouldn't want any injuries on a project site. So, let's get this week going, shall we? Here we go.
Tell you people about this blackjack game. It's caused me nothing but trouble, and I've only myself to blame. Hey, 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 yeah. How unlucky can one man be? Well, every quarter I get, Lord, blackjack takes it away from me. My friends don't come around me because I've been so blind. I can't even borrow a nickel. Now I've almost lost my mind. Hey, 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 yeah. How unlucky can one man be? Well, every quarter I get, Lord, blackjack takes it away from me. I sat there with 2 tens. I thought I'd have some fun. The dealer hit 16 with a 5. Just enough to make 20.
Stickers too, those are cute. Did you pick those out all by yourself?
Actually, Ronnie sent these to her.
Oh. I see.
I think for her birthday.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna be right back.
So fun.
Back in rainy Los Angeles. A busy day today as I have to run to do a favor before a meeting, so I needed some caffeine before I went to downtown LA. I decided to get a vanilla latte at Coffee Bean, which is my go-to drink there. Then jetted to one of the most industrial areas of Los Angeles, downtown LA. You can see how this area is different than the rest of Los Angeles. No palm trees, lots of graffiti art, commercial buildings in a row, it's far from the ocean, and lots of concrete everywhere. After the quick pickup downtown, I took the package in this insane weather to UPS so it would get out in time for my client's trip to the British Virgin Islands. Afterwards, I was starving, so headed to the Brentwood Country Mart for chili at Barney's Beanery because it's the yummiest on a cold day like today. I love walking into the Mart because they have an actual bookstore with cute shops and eats in the space. And on a sunny Cali day, this place can get super packed. After lunch, I finally made it back over to my project on Northridge to meet the contractor and subs for a meeting and answer any questions they had. Even when on job sites, I'm absorbing what's going on and chatting with the guys because you can learn a lot when on site and hanging out with subs. Here, the contractor is going over the placement of a new wall for the stairs with his foreman. I just love seeing how things start coming together from paper to real life. Construction can be a really beautiful thing. Then my day was done and saw the sun kind of peeking out. Thanks for following along on this ride. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and check out my work at lhdesigned.com or on Instagram at lhdesigned. I'll have that all down below in the link. Until next time, see you guys in Cali.